Hello YouTube friends. I got something in the mail today. A few upgrades for my bicycle. I got some more stuff coming, but this is the first thing that came for my bicycle. I'm not getting away from the gun thing, but it's time for me to go back riding again. Yep. And look at this. Ooh, yeah. I got me a new set of pedals for my bicycle. Yep. I like that. It takes an Allen wrench to install them. Yep. I think these would come off, but we're going to try to put them on my bicycle, and we're going to do some more upgrades to it. I got it taken apart right now. I'm going to put a grip set on, and hopefully one to help me climb them mountains up there around Fort McClellan. Well, let me get back to y'all and we'll continue this. So I got the bicycle apart. I'm about to install them pedals, and I'm gonna have to go get an Allen wrench. So bear with me. Well, I guess I think it's supposed to be 6mm, but I got a 7/32 Allen wrench. Well, let's see. This is the right side. It's got R for the right. We'll see about putting these things on. Oh yeah. I like these things. I could put some Loctite on there. There goes that, and let's see about the other one. I found out something different. When you're building these things, it's easier to work from the opposite side of the bicycle. Well, I can't get that started. There's also got a place where you can put the Allen wrench right there. There we go. There it goes. We got it. Get it going on. Where was that going? Show you. Don't that look neat? New set of pedals. I saw them on the internet on eBay, and I said I like them dankum things. And these little pegs right here, or you could take them off. That's what the pedals I've been trying to look for, and I saw them for just a little over $18. Yeah, I like them. And I'm not through with the bicycle yet. Got a group set coming. I'm going to put a new group set on this bicycle. It's going to be a 1x9, and that's what I'm looking for. Oh yeah, I got a little spot right here I covered up with tape where this has been hitting. I didn't even know it was hitting. I decided to put a little spacer right here, and instead of putting a chain ring right on this side of it, I put it on this side. I think I had it wrong, but them pedals look sharp. I like them things. I wish my crank set was black, but at the time that's the only thing they had. Well, you can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, and thanks for watching.